King, Holy God, as we sing.
And Big Boy Song, Negosyo.
Public forums, especially to
Building big, ideas to serve the people and its economy. Masipeg sa Negosyo. Pero K-Peg, Inapi ng Mega, competitors. Derating AIM Super, Daddy Nia, to make action in business.
Honored for downtown Manila.
Like father, like son in serving the people and its economy. Ninong TV proudly presents another action of learning the businesses of the King of Philippine Business with your Denver Ninong Castro as Henry C. and a special guest, Elijah Mata as Henry C. Jr. A Father's Day special vlog presentation. Dedication to all father and son and children's for learning business and life. Isusambong kita sa Tate Kong. Businessman. Studying the Multi-Reality Development Corporation and Net Group Business Works versus Business Competitors with Henry C. Sr. and Henry C. Jr. Simulcast on Ninong TV and co-presented by Lolo Pong and Mamu's Video Vlogs, June 16, 2024. The business collaboration of Tatong and Big Boy. Henry C., the King of Philippine Business. Presented by Ninong TV and Lolo Pong and Mamu's Video Vlogs for great vlog collaborations, to entertain and to educate.
What's up to all of you and good morning, and this is your Denver Ninong Castro once again. Welcome to Ninong TV. You're live watching from Facebook and YouTube and also simulcasted on Instagram, TikTok, Google, and some of the social media that is available in our Ninong. And for today's video is another action of learning the businesses of your Tito. At ngayon, very special ang ating video vlog ngayon because we are celebrating Father's Day at very connected ito kay Tito Henry nyo at sa kanyang mga junakis. Pero meron tayong isang special particular character na makakasama dito. And of course, I have my special guest na gaganap dito sa talent portion na ito. But anyway, the title of our vlog first is Isusumbong Kita sa Tatay Kong Businessman. Oh, something interesting, diba? So, isusumbong kita sa Tatay Kong Businessman. So, this is studying the Multi-Reality Development Corporation and Net Group Business Works versus business competitors with Henry C. Sr. and Henry C. Jr. Kaya pala. So, ito yung magdaddy. Si Junior at pati si Senior ay magko-collab dito. Kaya pag si Junior, inapi, di ba, ng mga competitors, nahihirapan siya gumawa ng business kasi inaatake siya ng mga competitors. Isusumbong kita sa tatay kong businessman. At silang dalawa ay magta-tag team. Si Daddy gagawa ng mga action service para labanan ang mga competitors. And of course, the poverty para mapaglingkuran ng taong bayan. And to help to rise the Philippine economy because of your Tito Henry's works. Diba? So yun yung aim ng ating programa ngayon. To discover another real estate ng Tito Henry nyo. Wow, ang daming real estate ng Tito Henry nyo. What I'm saying. Real estate na naman pala ito. Multi-Reality Development Corporation. So, ano nga bang meron doon? And we also have the Net Group. Oh, Net. Ayun. Net Group. Okay. So, today is a very special video blog that you will discover the action of learning and the businesses of your King of Philippine Business, Mr. Henry C. Sa kanyang multi-reality at sa kanyang Net Group. So, magkakaroon din tayo dito ng special guest. Personally, he's my cousin, Elijah Mata. Okay, to be role as Henry C. Jr. So later on, makakasama natin siya to discuss or to share his knowledge, his experience in SM. Okay? So, first of all, ano muna yung ibig sabihin ng ating multi-reality and net group, lalong-lalo na sa ating mga students na meron pang last 1 week or 2 weeks before entering vacation. My goodness, medyo patag-ulan na, no? Doon pala magsasummer yung mga students natin. But anyway, eto. We will have multi-reality development. O, kuha na kayo ng ballpen papel nyo or you can screenshot this. Okay? It is a portion of its stake in BDO, Unibank to Khazanah National through its subsidiary, Pulao Kaka Investments Limited. The transaction represents 2% of BDO total common shares, a reflection of the bank's potential given its industry leading business franchise. Oh! So, nagpa-franchise pala ang Tito Henry nyo dito sa multi-reality. Ang may-ari po ng multi-reality development ay Malaysian business person or a business group of Miss Kasana National. So, parang babae ito kasi Kasana Parang Hana, gano'n. Or a group of business sa Malaysia. So, ang mga panahon na kumikita ang Tito Henry nyo sa kanyang BDO ay business niya rin. Diba? So, bumili siya ng franchise or parang nag-reseller siya dito kay multi-reality para magpatayo din ng mga properties ng other ng SM or some of the housing project, etc. na sponsor dito si Kasana ng Malaysian Business Group na may kita silang 2% at binibigay sa BDO ng Tito Henry. Diba? Serving more people, diba? Serving the economy because we've got it all for you nga talaga ang Tito Henry nyo. Pagdating sa real estate, pagdating sa pabahay and some of the project, maaasahan natin siya dito. And meron naman tayong net group. Ano bang meron sa net group? Okay. SMIC or SM Investment Corporation yun. First acquired a stake in TNG back in 2013 in an effort to boost its office portfolio in the booming financial district of Taguig. The Net Group, which is now controlled by the SM Group. Okay. Ito pong Net Group ay under ng SMIC. So, ang trabaho nila dito ay to improve the office businesses and to build some of the malls. Yung mga some of the malls na nakikita natin, just like yung mga SM centers, SM Aura, di ba? Noong 2013 of May, binuksan ni Tito Henry yung SM Aura niya. So, under neto ng Net Group. So, ito yung samahan or business niya na naglalayong improve yung financial at mga businesses sa Taguig na meron ang Tito Henry at ang C family. Okay, for the first episode, you will discover what's all about multi-reality and net group businesses of your Tito Henry. Check it out. just discover our slide for multi-reality and net group. So, kita nyo naman, napakasipag ng Tito Henry nyo, ang Tatay Henry nyo, no? Para paglingkuran ang taong bayan at matulungan ang bawat isa. Diba? So, may pabahay, may buildings, may malls, may properties, and then, of course, to support our Philippine economy. Tsaka para supportahan na rin ang ating tourism. Diba? Yung mga kanyang mga condo, homes, yung mga design na para tayong world class, na para tayong ibang bansa ang fake. So, yun yung pinakaambag ni Tito Henry. Now, we will have the slide of Henry C. Jr. business activities with Elijah Mata as Henry C. Jr. So, we will have a special guest, my cousin Elijah Mata, to be role as Mr. Henry C. Jr. Ako naman ang senior. Okay. Siya naman yung junior ko. So, para talaga mag-daddy ang peg natin dito. So, paano nga ba magtrabaho si junior? Like daddy, like son, di ba? Ano nga ba ang kanyang perspective? Di ba? Parehas pa sila ng mindset. Ano nga bang mission ni junior na paglingkuran ng ating taong bayan? Of course, we will have here the experiences mall of Elijah in SM particular to be the next episode. Check it out.
Si Elijah, saan mo nabili yan? Saan mo nabili yan?
Bigay lang sa akin. Ay,
sige.
Regalo kay Tate.
O sige, meron akong first video sa'yo. May interviewin ako sa'yo. Anong masasabi mo sa SM Supermall? So, interviewin kita ha. Anong masasabi mo sa SM? Dahil maganda yung shopping, malaki anong masasabi mo doon? Hello? Elijah? Anong masasabi mo sa SM yung pagpunta natin doon sa saan ba yun? Sa 13?
Nasabi ko masaya.
Ano pa? Ano pang makikita mo sa SM?
SM?
Yes.
Magjowa.
Magjowa. Ano pa meron doon?
Nagkikis.
Huwag naman puro ganon. At anong napapansin mo sa products ng SM? Ano pang napapansin mo sa products ng SM? Yung mga...
Napapansin ko si Jabule.
Ha?
Si Jabule.
Si Jabule? Sino yun?
Wala yun? Si Jollibee, yung kapatid ni Jollibee, si Jabule. Tapos kapatid ni Jabule, si Jabule.
Jollibee Jabule. Hindi, sa products of SM, ano masasabi mo sa mga paninda ng SM? Like the services, malamig ba doon?
Masasabi ko lang, salamat kay Bongbong Marcos.
Ay, bakit? Bakit kay Bongbong? Ay, naku, ikaw talaga. Elijah, namiss na lang kita. Umuwi ka kasi dito.
And I always keep my opinion to myself unless when asked. But when God calls, I have no choice but to drop everything and do it. For it is written in 1 Samuel 12:24, obey the Lord and serve Him faithfully with all your heart. Remember the great things He has done for you.
Was mentioned as a partner of the NHA in the construction of the medium rice field.
We don't know what document that is, no? But I suppose if I were have to guess what kind of document that is I think that is more of their wish list, but which they haven't even contacted me yet about whether I'm going to participate or not. So it's their wish list and wish list of everybody that a beautiful SLDC project will come out of that area. That is, but in our part, we don't know. We are not. We don't know about that, and we haven't any signed document or any contracts with the government.
Okay, you've just witnessed Henry C. Jr. And by the way, to my dear cousin Elijah, thank you very much for having you for the business interview. Talagang manang-mana ka na rin talaga sa akin, no? Talagang may pagka-joker to pag ini-interview. May pa-comedy slice. Parang minsan hindi tayo maboring sa ating mga panaulit. Medyo may pagpagising tayo sa mga watchers, no? Anyway, you just discovered Henry C. Jr.'s activity in business. Paano nga ba siya mag-work, di ba? Talagang like father, like son nga talaga. Magkamukhang-kamukha nga talaga sila. Kaya nga junior. So, what senior do, si junior din, yun din ang ginagawa. Pinagpapatuloy ang legacy ng daddy niya. Diba? Para mapil pa rin natin si Tito Henry in this present generation through junior, pwede niya pa rin ituloy yung mga misyon ng papa niya. Diba? At higit pa roon para mas mag-improve pa ang ating economy. Diba? And of course, for the next episode, we will have Henry C. Jr. and Sr. versus the business competence. Ito, ano-ano nga bang kanilang mga hakbang at laban sa kanilang mga kompetensya in making buildings, home, malls, and other properties under by the multi-reality and the net group. Kapag nahihirapan si Junior, so tatawagin niya si tatay. Isusumbo ko kayo sa tatay ko, masyado kayong abusado, mga competitors, masyado kayong palaban sa aking mga ginagawa. Nilalamangan nyo kami masyado. So, nandyan si Daddy Henry para aksyonan ang ating mga allocation to fight the business, to fight the crisis and the competitor para panalo tayo. Diba? So, the next slide, Henry C. Jr. and Seniors pull up their works and their fight for the business against sa mga competitors. So, check it out.
So honored for downtown Manila came to congratulate me. My son guest says behind my back, Mandulu gave si Henry dito. And personalize my management style. I do not think on impulse. I think long and hard for every project. Why I'm not big in words. I'm big in both in my dreams and vision. My nature, I'm curious and adventurous.
Normally, I don't speak in public forums, especially to 1 million viewers as today. It's not because of anything, but because I'm shy and also I'm lazy. Tatang to everybody, the retail king of the Philippines, and my dear daddy. Cheers.
So you've just witnessed Henry C. Jr. and Senior. Talagang ibang klase pag ang junior at senior ay nagtagpo sa isa't isa. Talagang action talaga sa business. Para paglingkuran ang taong bayan, to serve the people, aside na magkaroon sila ng bulsa. Diba? The most priority naman talaga is to serve the people. Diba? Yun ang unang mindset nila. To serve the people. Kapag hindi sila satisfied sa iba, maraming competitors, nandyan ang SMIC or SM Investment Corporation of your Tito Henry kasama ang kanyang junior na si Tito Henry Jr. Si Big Boy. Actually, Big Boy ang pinakaano nila dito eh. Ang screen name, kung si Henry si may tatang, ito naman si Big Boy. Diba? Malaking bata to. Oh, diba? Kasi Big Boy. Malaking tandem to serve big for our economy. Diba? So, ngayon, after makipaglaban, diba? Talagang action talaga pagdating sa business. Diba? Ano naman ang next na gagawin nila is CSR. Yan, syempre. CSR tayo, mga pagtulong sa kapwa. Ano-anong pwedeng gawin ng net group at multi-reality at ng magtatay na to sa taong bayan? What services offer or special bless to help the poor, to help the economy, to help the people, to share their blessing as they feel blessed from the Lord and Jesus? Anong pwedeng gawin ni Senior at ni Junior Henry Sis? Henry Sis talaga kasi dalawang Henry Sis na po. So, to help the nation at yung ating mga kababayan. Diba? So, isusumbong ito sa tatay ko. Bakit? Junior, maraming mga mahirap, maraming mga nangailangan ng tulong. Anong dapat natin gawin, Daddy? Sige, actionan natin yan. Oo, sabi ni Tatang Senior. So, Henry C. Jr. and Henry C. Seniors, CSR to serve the Filipino people and to rise up, to help the poor, to help the economy, to bless others. Check it out.
Only Jesus could turn my life around from the awful sinner that I once was. Through weekly Bible studies, I learned that the saving of the soul can only be done by God. It cannot be earned or deserved. From your Henry C. Jr. giving you my tips for good business and for happy life. And with good faith to the Lord and Jesus, and thank you, Daddy Henry C. Sr., for giving me the awesome life and good life. I love you, Daddy.
In good times, we do our usual work, but in bad times, we work harder. From your Henry C. giving you my actions of business, and to my son, Big Boy, I'm happy to have you. Thank you for continuing my legacy to serve the people and its economy. I will always love you and all of you, my children's, and to my wife, Felicidad, to serve the people and its economy, and God bless all of us.
Okay, thank you for watching and God bless to all of us. At dito ko lang tatapos ang ating video vlog titled, Isusumbong Kita sa Tatay Kong Businessman, Studying the Multi-Reality Development Corporation and Net Group Business Works versus Business Competitors with Henry C. Sr. and Henry C. Jr. Okay. Once again, maraming salamat sa aking special guest, my dearest cousin Elijah Mata, Kita Kids, and I miss you. Ingat ka. Kuya Denver's always love you and supporting you sa iyong dream business, sa iyong pag-aaral. Mag-ingat ka, be good boy. No? Parang ano talaga kami, mag-daddy talaga kami dito. Henry C. Sr. tapos siya si Junior. Okay, so ingat-ingat Elijah and the Mata family. Of course, to Castro says, mabuhay tayong lahat. We will rise all together. So, thank you for watching and I hope you learned something. This is a very interesting and of course, a special tribute and salute na rin to all of the fathers in the world. A big happy Father's Day from Ninong TV. Ito po ay patribute na rin namin sa lahat ng daddy. That's why I created this vlog, sakto. Isusumbong kita sa tatay kong businessman. Diba? Pag tayo minsan ay inaapi, may problema, not only for business, pero in real life. Diba? So, syempre naman, naging tatay rin si Henry C. sa kanyang mga anak. Dito kay Junior. Diba? So, kapag may problema sa buhay, sa business, kung anything, nandiyan si Daddy Henry to support. And to all of the fathers who is there to support us, financial, food, tender love, anything. Diba? Pagpasalamat natin ito kasi hindi naman tayo mabubuo kung hindi dahil sa kanila. So, kasama man natin sila o hindi, sila man ay kasama na ng Tito Henry nyo. Diba? So, pasalamatan pa rin natin. So, pag-pray natin sila, gawa natin ng tribute, and doon mapaparating natin yung pasasalamat natin sa ating mga daddies. Pa-chat natin, o messenger nyo, pag-Gcash ka mo. Diba? Parang ano, banding-banding tayo sa SM, may mga 50% may freebies dahil Father's Day, handog din ng Tito Henry nyo sa lahat ng mga daddies in the Philippines and all over the world. So maraming salamat. Happy Father's Day. And dito po nagtatapos ang ating video vlog. See you for my another episode. And of course, you can buy this video vlog for only 150 pesos. I-give nyo to sa mga daddy nyo. 150 lang to. 80 pesos naman pag screen record. So, i-PM nyo kung paano nyo to mabibili. O paano nyo to madadownload. Of course, I just want to have to share good news to all of you. Patapos na po at malapit na nating ma-lesson lahat ng mga businesses ng Tito Henry yun dahil we have only 30 businesses that left. So, ano yung mga 30 businesses na yun? Yun yung mga hindi pa natin na-unlock. Di ba 100 plus kasi itong business ng Tito Henry nyo? 100 plus. So, ngayon, 30 businesses na lang ang ating mapag-aaralan at matatapos na rin. At nakakamiss rin kasi syempre, more than 2 years or 1 year po nang ginagawa itong business vlog ng Tito Henry nyo para magbigay education, entertainment, malaman natin ang businesses ng Tito Henrio na hindi lang SM, my goodness, what I say, hindi lang po SM ang business niya. Napakarami din pala niyang negosyo na kailangan natin ma-discover na hindi natin nababasa sa ibang libro. Only on your Ninong TV. Diba? So, 30 businesses and hintayin nyo lang kung ano pa yung mga shows na pwede natin gawin, other special guests na pwede natin makasama na gaganap bilang mga business partner ng Tito Henrio na may-ari ng mga ganito-ganyan. So, diba, stay tuned lang po tayo at marami pa tayong mapag-aaralan. Diba? This is also a good education sa mga kagaya nating mga Gen Z, mga millennial, na ngayon lang namulat sa SM, na hindi nila alam na punta lang sila ng punta sa mga SM businesses. Hindi nila alam po sinong may-ari. So dito na nila malalaman sa programa Ninong TV natin. Henry C. the King of Philippine Business Video Vlogs, content by your Ninong TV. Thank you. See you again for another video vlog that I will write. Stay tuned and subscribe Ninong TV in all social media department that we have. Thank you.